tayo sa NAIA Airport. Kasama Tito Jericho.
Hello!
Tito Sasam. Tito Boy Boy. Si Mami. Daddy. Tita Cecil.
Ay, dito pa.
Tito Marvin. Ayun o. Lama ko lang kuya si May. Yusin mo yusin mo yung vlog.
Ako, hindi mo ako pa-vlog.
There it is 59373.
J65 of the Royal Princess. Dahil sa limitadong espasyo sa overhead base sa loob ng aeroplano at pumapati ang maayos na boarding at makaiwas sa
Your 59373. Rojas now boarding. Nag-board na yung ano natin. Tara, let's go.
inuulit mo. Ibigay mo
Let's go, guys. And we landed. Yes, let's go. Sorry. It's okay po. Let's go. Let's go board the flight. Let's go! Woo! Yeah, video na to, hindi time lapse. Let's go. Here we go. Yes. Video na to hindi time lapse. Video na to hindi time lapse. Let's go. Dito na. Kasama natin. Woo. Too excited. Overexcited na ako. Way too excited. Yan yung flight natin. Cebu Pacific 5J373. Baka to yun. Wait, no, wait. Hanap natin 5J373. Yung Manila to Rojas natin. Yung sasakyan natin. Hanapin. Wait lang. Lalamig na ako, boy. Saan tayo magsasak? Okay, where are we gonna go? Baka tong sasakyan natin. Ito, 5J373. Tara na, let's go. Sasakyan. Tong big na tong plane na to. Oo nga, bubuksan nga to. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Woo! Look at how big this tail is. I mean the engine. Kasi yan lang nga.
Okay na.
Tara na. Let's go. We have to go. First time filming the Cebu Pacific. Yung crew. Cebu Pacific crew. Film ko na. First time doing that. Wait lang. When are we going to move? So excited. Let's go. Vapor in the airplane. May vapor dyan sa airplane. First time filming the Cebu Pacific crew. Here's Maze.
Hi everyone's information. We are expecting a full flight and to utilize the use of the overhead bins we request.
Here is 8. Baka yan na. Here's Scales.
sa ulo ng kompartimento at ang policy
26, 27, 28 dito.
at personal
Empty.
between sa
Yes.
unahang
Teka nga.
standing in the aisle.
Baka may
Para
basa.
sa mas mabilis sa boarding process,
Nasaan ko?
mangyari po.
Yan! Perfect! Perfect!
Ano ka ba?
Let's go!
Ay, hindi pala. C, D. Ano ka ba? 20. B, C, D.
Hey! Look at this! Like more clouds. So high in the air right now. So high. What's this one? Look at this thing! Ba't magbibigay ng mga... First time again filming the crew of Cebu Pacific at Plane 373 Manila to Rojas City, October 24, 2025. Di pa tulog yung baby ko. Feel so high. Breaking the speed of sound. What is it? Why does it smell awful? Smells like yuck. Okay. Kanina tayo nang nag-take off kami, off camera. Sasakit yung tenga ko. Sasakit. Breaking the speed of sound. Eh. Seatbelt sign is off na.
Sir, pasok po muna kayo sa gilid.
Lang tumadaan. Ano? Cebu Pacific, crew.
Lapit na daan ko eh.
Gangster ka. Hey. Tutulog ate mo. Hello guys. Ito lang kami. Saan na ba?
May bagsak yung phone natin. Baka mawala tayo pang video. Ano oras ba yung time ng tablet mo?
2
Ha?
p.m.
2 p.m. pa? Hanggang?
5.
Ah, sila.
Super high up na kami.
What?
Super high up na kami. Ay tayo. Tayo tsaka dito, Jenny mo.
Ha?
Kaya,
Sabihin mo kasi sa...
filming the Cebu Pacific members again, the crew, Okay. Filming it again.
Ha?
Pinifilm ko ulit.
Bakit? Fresh mo yan ah.
Hindi. Again. That lady. Statue in the air, guys. Hey. Ang ingay. Hindi na ako makaririnig. Ingay kasi. Ang ingay. Gangster ka. Gangster ka. Hey. Greeted by the greeted by the special island. Itong island ba? Filming the Cebu Pacific crew members again. This is Kaylee.
Or you can release it on regular door for the next appearance.
Ayun na.
This I think is maize. This is maize. Yeah. Maize. M-A-Z-E. Maize.
Bigyan mo na sila.
Both in the seats of their
Bakit mo sila Ate Ganda?
Wala si Ate Ganda.
Ano naman?
They're talking in each other. Talking in each other.
Bakit mo kasi Ate Ganda? Talk mo kasi sila. Talk ka sa kanila.
Ate, nag-fly na ako sa Kuala Lumpur tsaka Rojas City ulit dito sa Cebu Pacific. Nag-fly ako sa Kuala Lumpur tsaka Rojas City ulit sa Cebu Pacific. Yung sa Kuala Lumpur sa February lang. Tsaka sa Rojas City ulit 2023.
2025 na ngayon.
Oh, 2 years wala tayo sa sa Rojas.
Sa?
Rojas.
Ano?
2 years wala tayo sa Rojas.
Sino ba?
Insane turbulence.
Sino?
Catherine Bernardo. Catherine
ano?
Bernardo. Tsaka Mami Min Bernardo. Giving us insane turbulence, guys. Hey! Natutumba tayo ulit. Tumba. Paulit. Vlogging.
Pa dito binibigyan.
At turbulence na tayo dahil sa yan.
Ano tayo?
Turbulence.
Tanong mo doon sa crew kung nagka-turbulence tayo.
Insane turbulence.
Ha?
Nagwiwigil ako ng like crazy.
Tanong mo nga sa crew kung ba't nagwiwigil ka ng crazy.
Ate, lang kanina ba lang na nagwiwigil akong parang turbulence. Parang ganyan. Parang
Tanong mo nga kasi kung bakit.
Bakit ako nagaganyan? Na, nagwiwigil. Nagsi-seatbelt ako eh. Paano pa ako nagwiwigil? Na-title ko na yan. Ano ba yan?
Crush mo siguro siya.
Hindi! Hindi ko yan crush! Ang kulit mo! Oh,
Gusto mo picturean kita kung sweet ako?
wait.
Ha?
Wait.
Gusto mo magpapicture sa ano?
Wait. You see it?
Yung patakot-takot pa kayo, Zed.
We go landing.
Ha?
Landing. Woo! And we're gonna land. Let's go. Come on. Land it. See the beautiful.
Ay ba?
And then we are almost there. Flying above all the trees. And we landed! Yes, let's go! Oh, my phone! My phone, it fell!
Wait lang kasi.
Nahulog yung phone ko! Nahulog?
Ako na.
Ba't nahulog phone ko? Nahulog! Yes, finally. It just landed. Yes.
Be cautious when opening the overhead bins, as heavy items have been moved during the flight.
Picture naman si Sige dyan mamaya pagbaba.
Finally in Rojas Airport.
On behalf of your
Rojas Airport?
Yeah. By the flight deck crew captain, and first officer.
Yes. That was great.
We thank you for making
And that was a great and insane turbulence, guys. Know what to say.
And we do hope to fly with you again Once again, thank you everyone for flying Cebu Pacific. Nagyari ko lamang na manatiling nakaupo at stay matanda ng ilaw sa taas ng Cebu Pacific.
It's windy! watching. Nakabihis na ako, nagligo na ako. And I'll see you guys in the next one.